Thick yogurt 6 tablespoons. Fresh cream 6 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. 4 green chilies crushed. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala 1 teaspoon. Pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Cornflour 2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Oil 1 tablespoon. Mix together until combined. Add the chicken pieces one by one and massage the marinade into the cuts of the chicken very well. Cover and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours to overnight. Unsalted butter 2 tablespoons. Heat a grill pan over medium flame and place the marinated chicken pieces and fry for 15 to 20 minutes. Lower the heat. Add the marinade over the chicken pieces. Flip the chicken pieces to cook the other side. On medium to low heat, cook for another 15 minutes and flip it again and sear until well browned. Once cooked from both the sides, switch off the heat and remove it in a serving dish. Serve with onion rings and lemon slices.